Welcome to mulberry, in particular white mulberry, the black mulberry, Morus nigra, that's kind of identified with the West. We're looking here at white mulberry in particular, and that's Morus alba, that's the eastern variety. And the question is, does it have any side effects? Because this is an herb that is culinary and it is medicinal, but is there anything you kind of need to be on the lookout for? Now, from a Western perspective, we're going to be looking at, it's kind of identified with the circulation, the kidneys. The key application of white mulberry in the West would be slight laxative properties, antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, things like that. In the East, in traditional Chinese medicine, they really recognize each distinct part of the plant that is used. And in the East, 3 parts are used. In the West, they only use 2 parts. But in the East, they use the berry, the leaf, and the bark. And so they have sort of distinctions. The berry is in particularly known for nourishing blood, cooling the kidney and liver. The leaves, more particularly about transforming external heat. And the bark, in particular, known for transforming phlegm. And that's not just mucus, that's really heavy congestion or gunk in the joints or causing, urinary retention, things like this. So different level, if you will, of phlegm than just kind of a runny nose, which we would say was mucus. So side effects, this is an incredibly safe herb, both actually the black and the white. And generally, when you're seeing something as being culinary, as in strongly culinary, you kind of know you're in a safe zone because people are going to be eating it and ingesting it. And if you're using it correctly, studies have even shown people using it kind of consistently in doses, if you will, for up to 12 weeks, not a problem. Every once in a while, there's somebody that's going to have an issue either because of allergies or pre-existing condition or just sensitivities. And the most common side effect, if you will, is going to be sort of a digestive issue, gas, nausea, maybe a little bit of diarrhea, for example. For folks that are on diabetic medication, you probably do want to sit up and pay a little bit closer attention because this is one of those herbs that already is going to help regulate blood sugar. So it's going to already help kind of lower it. So if you're on medications and you have a particular sensitivity, that could be an overload. Might not be for everybody, but it'd be a good one to be on the lookout for so that you don't overdose yourself with, blood sugar lowering substances of one form or another. So there you go. It is indeed safe. The side effects are minimal, but pay attention. There's lots of choices out there in the herbal world, so you don't need to feel inhibited if one doesn't quite work for you or if indeed you do have an allergic reaction to it. Low and slow. That's the rule. Start low, go slow to see if you have a response, and then move forward once you know more about that.